How we doing today, people? It's your boy Yancymane back with another video, and today I'll be reviewing the 3-in-1 LED gaming kit. It's from Vivitar, but I guess it's the LvLup series. You see right here, LvLup and Vivitar. Alright, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please turn on notifications so you'll be notified when I drop future videos. Also share this video, somebody may be interested in a nice startup gaming kit. Alright, real quick on the box. With branding on the side, LvLup. On the back, pause that and read it for yourself. I am curious about this RGB mouse pad. As you can see, I have one here, but I got this one from 5 and Below, and I think I paid $6 for it, so curious to see. You can see on the bottom, adapter included, LED lighting, it's a headset. Alright, pause the video, open it up, and see what we got. Alright, let's see. Oh, special fancy unboxing knife. I'm using some scissors here. Do need to invest in an unboxing knife, huh? Since I am unboxing on half my videos. Let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. Alright, see it there good. Okay, yes. Nice pleather feel to it. Looks good though. This is a headset. RGB lights around the side, I assume. Right here as well. Connection. Let's see. RGB light pad, yeah, RGB gaming pad. So I figured it wasn't that big, considering the size of the box. Yeah. That's the micro USB cable for the mouse pad. All right. Let's see what else. Instructions. I'm sure it's pretty straightforward, but we'll peek at them anyway. All right. And of course, the gaming mouse. All right. Anybody curious? I paid $20 for this at Walmart. All right. Plug the video, or pause the video, and I'm gonna plug everything up. Actually, y'all, I'm gonna do this live. In case you guys have any questions, maybe they can be answered if you see me doing it myself. Okay. So this is the adapter you saw on the side of the box. Just gonna plug it in like so. All right. Then, of course, the mouse. I don't know. I don't untangle those. I just kind of pull till it comes loose. I guess I should, in case I break it. $20 is fairly cheap, so might not be able to get a lot of pull out of it, you know. There we go. Usually that's what's happened. That would happen. So there's the mouse. So got a little multi USB setup on my Xbox. Pop this in. Just pick one. Bear with me, y'all. I'm trying to do this from behind the camera. Okay. And I'll turn some of the light down so you can actually see the RGB lights on it. And let's see. Let's plug up the USB cable for the mouse pad. All right. And like I said, it's micro USB. Just go on the side here. I hate micro USB cables. All right. So let's turn it. I don't know. Let's turn it this way. Yeah. So it's the same concept, same design as the large one I have. But clearly the big one I have is more bang for your buck. At $6, this bad boy is 4 feet long, about a foot and a half wide, foot and a quarter. So, but let's finish setting it up. Let's plug into. I'm gonna go into. Okay, not bad. And for the mouse or the headset, we're gonna plug into my Xbox controller. And it also needs a power source, the USB here. So not only I have that plugged in, you have to plug in a USB as well, power source. So we're gonna go here with it. And there we have it. Let's see if we can get this straight. All right. I'm gonna turn some of this light down so you guys can see. A little bit more. Okay. So we turn this down too. There it is. All right. Like I said, it's set $20. Not bad if you're really into RGB like myself. This is cool. Not only you get the RGB effect, but you also got a starter gaming kit. Now why did that light turn off? Oh, there you go. All right. So I believe here, let's back up a little bit so you can see. Here you adjust the lighting for the RGB pad or the mouse pad. All right, so it's different settings. Okay, and that's pretty cool if you got a lighting thing going on at your gaming desk or in your room. That's cool to play with. All right, let's see, let's make sure I'm connected. Is there a volume control on here? Am I overlooking it? Volume control? It's got to be a volume control, right? It's a headset. Maybe not. Okay. Let me pause real quick, guys. Let me take a look at the instruction manual. Okay, so as you can see, there are the setting modes for the mouse pad. So each click is a different setting. Okay. Adjust the brightness. Quickly double press the power button to adjust the brightness on the LEDs. Let's see. Oh yeah, I see it. Okay. Not bad. But I do not see no volume control for the headset. So it's not a surprise. Not a deal breaker either. Doesn't look like there's any settings for the mouse as well. I think the lights just kind of go. So again, not a deal breaker. Okay guys, I just want you to see real quick. As you can see on the left hand corner here, see the mic indication. So it lets you know that the mic or the headset is working. All right. Yeah, I think that was it. So you can barely hear in this headset, I guess, because it was more designed for PC, where you can kind of control the volume versus on a gaming console. Because I've checked all over this headset and there is no volume control. So do keep that in mind if you're going to buy this for gaming on a home console. Alright. I'm trash on this game, by the way, but y'all see my gamer tag. And I'm open for crossplay. So that's that. Alright guys, but overall I would recommend this as a starter gaming set, but mostly for PC. Like I said, it works on consoles. I would have to go into the settings and adjust it and set it up for mouse functions, but it definitely works. Real quick, the mouse is very responsive. As you can see, all 4 buttons click very well. That's the bottom of the mouse, in case you were wondering. Alright. Not bad. Like I said, 20 bucks, 3-piece set, RGB lights. You can't beat that. That's cool though. Very easy to change the settings, or light settings. Alright. Alright guys, if you have any questions or comments about this 3-in-1 LED gaming kit, as always, I encourage you guys, drop your comments and questions below, and I'll get back to you at my earliest convenience. If it's something I might have missed and you have a question about it, feel free to ask. I encourage you to ask. And like again, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications. Alright, it's your boy Yancymane, I'm out.